In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11, so follow along and you can get this open in around a minute here. So what you need to do is first go to your computer and go ahead and click on the Windows icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you're here, you need to then look for the settings icon, so go ahead and click on that. Now, once you've got settings open, you need to scroll down and here you will see accessibility. It will be near the bottom, go ahead and click that. Now scroll down even more and you'll find interaction. From here you can then click on keyboard. Then if you scroll down even more, you'll see on-screen keyboard. You can go ahead and enable that and the on-screen keyboard will pop up. Now if you go to options, you can change some settings including the click sound and some other settings which might be useful for you. But now you've got the on-screen keyboard open, you can open up any text box here. You just want to make sure you click on it and then you can use the keyboard. So I hope that video did help you out.